Are you experiencing noise on your ground grid? Is your ground grid look like the red trace up here as far as current spikes or the green trace? People don't know, but ground current spikes can be a big issue in factories, especially highly automated factories. And Southwire has solutions to help keep the current on your ground grid looking more like the green trace than like the red trace. The red trace here, we're seeing anywhere from 3 to 6 amp current spikes. That's pretty high when you consider that the drives that we're working off of here that are powering these motors are only half horsepower drives. They're only putting out a little bit over 1 amp. Yet we're seeing multiples of that on the ground grid. That current can cause all kinds of problems. If that current goes past a PLC, it can take that PLC out. It can cause premature failure of that device. If that current goes through your motor shaft and your motor bearings, that can cause premature motor failure. It can cause all kinds of issues. The problems only get worse when Industry 4.0 comes around and everything becomes more automated and more sensitive to current spikes. Southwire has a solution for you. We have a whole system of products that can be installed between your drives and your motors to contain that current, send it back through that cable shield, and minimize currents flowing in other areas of your system. We can take a installation that has current spikes like the top waveform up here and reduce those current spikes down to what you see on the lower waveform.